What's up, y'all? Real quick, I'm gonna show you how to build your pull-up game up real quick. See right here, I'm doing wide grips. That's what you need to do. And right now, I'm just starting back out doing my pull-ups. I haven't worked out probably like I say in a year because during the COVID, but as you can see, I'm getting back into it. The first thing you want to do is do these wide grip lat pull downs. You want to do 3 to 5 sets, 5 to 10 reps for you can start like you're doing your pulls. See, I'm setting back, I'm taking my time, and I'm going at my own pace. That's how you build your pull-up game up. Now, right here, I'm doing chin-ups, close grips. That's what you want to do. And you see how I'm going up, down, slow. I'm stretching my wings. I'm going again, up. I'm coming down real slow. And in order to do that, you need to do these underhand lat pull downs. It's the same motion. Up, down. Now, I'm gonna show you how it is from facing the camera, facing you. Slow up, down. Now, and this is the end results. This is me like a year ago, before COVID. You see how easy it is? If you want to do pull-ups that easy, just go with my technique, do the lat pull downs and all that, and you will be just like this, or probably better. Thank you for watching the video. Bye.